Welcome back to Earth Science. Up till now, we talked about the solar system. The sun and the planets are the largest components of our solar system, but there are also smaller objects. The first type of smaller object are called planetary satellites, which are bodies that revolve around the planets. The moons are natural satellites. Earth has one natural satellite, our moon, while Mars has two moons, Deimos and Phobos. Jupiter has at least 63 moons. The four largest are called Galilean satellites, in honor of their discoverer, Galileo. Spacecrafts have discovered that Io, the moon nearest to Jupiter, has at least 9 volcanoes. And Europa, the moon next out from Jupiter, has a surface marked with crisscross patterns that resemble cracks in ice. Evidence from spacecraft indicates that a liquid ocean may exist deep below the surface. It is possible that life forms may have developed there. Saturn has at least 31 moons, both outside and within its ring. The largest moon is Titan, which is the only moon known to have a substantial atmosphere. Uranus has at least 27 moons, including a moon named Miranda that has deep scars on the surface. Scientists believe that it was shattered and reassembled 5 times, with parts of the surface buried and parts of the core exposed. And Neptune has at least 13 moons. Other types of smaller objects that move in space are comets, which is known as a dirty snowball. It's made up of dust particles trapped in a mixture of frozen water and gases. Most comets are found in cold regions of our solar system beyond Neptune, called the Kuiper Belt. When comets do come closer to the Sun, they become visible in the night sky. The Sun heats the comet's icy surface, causing a cloud of gas that can expand for millions of kilometers. The solar winds push the cloud into space, forming a tail, which points away from the Sun, with the comet following afterwards. Some comets have large elliptical orbits, which will come closer to the Sun. An example is Halley's Comet, named after the astronomer that predicted its return after 76 years, and the next time it will be visible from Earth will be in 2062. Another type of smaller object that floats in space are asteroids. Asteroids are solid rock-like masses with irregular shapes. Most asteroids are between Mars and Jupiter in the asteroid belt. Asteroids have collided with Earth, including the one scientists believe collided 65 million years ago at the end of the Mesozoic era, which caused the extinction of dinosaurs. In 1908, a small asteroid impacted Siberia, leveling the trees and destroying everything there. Another type of smaller object that floats in space are meteoroids, which are basically smaller asteroids from the size of 100 meters down to the size of a sand grain, and they are left behind by the comets. A meteor, aka shooting star, is the light made from the friction of a meteoroid when it passes through Earth's atmosphere. A meteor shower is when large amounts of meteors streak across the night sky within a few hours of one another. Meteorites are a part of the meteoroid that actually strikes Earth's surface. A great place to find meteorites are in the Antarctic ice caps. Now, once the meteor impacts Earth, it's going to leave an impact crater, which are these large bowl-shaped depressions that remain after a meteor strike. Now, Earth isn't as heavily cratered as the Moon, but it still bears the scars. This is because the Earth's atmosphere burns up most of the asteroids, and new lava flow from volcanoes will cover up the rest of the craters. An example of the few remaining craters is one in Ontario, Canada, which resulted in the area's largest nickel and copper deposits. That's all you need to know for today. Please make sure to answer the questions in the form below correctly. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me a question in Google Classroom and see me on Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.